Hello everyone, this is AI Digital. Welcome to the world of Massimo Modular houses, which break through the restrictions of various complex terrains and makes it possible to insert comfortable and luxe gateways with minimal environmental impact. Massimo Modular provides travelers the appeal of living in the scenery, a unique and sustainable way of living that is gaining popularity across the globe. These houses are innovative housing structure made from repurposed shipping containers. These homes offer a creative and customizable living space, affordable and eco-friendly. We'll take you on a Vassal E7 house tour to explore the beauty and functionality of these homes. The Vassal E7 house is designed and built by an American-based company, Massimo Modular Houses. The homes are constructed by repurposing one or more shipping containers, which are then modified to create a unique and functional living space. The containers used to construction are typically made of steel, which makes them strong and durable. One of the most exciting aspects of Vassal E7 home is interior design. These homes offer a customizable living space that allows for creativity and personalization. The interior of these homes can be customized to include a kitchen, living room, bedroom, bathroom, and even a rooftop deck. One of the biggest advantages of Vassal E7 home is their sustainability and affordability. These homes are constructed from recycled shipping containers, which reduce waste and the carbon footprint associated with traditional housing construction. It also helps to reduce the cost of construction. The cost of a Vassal E7 home depends on the size and design, but it is generally much cheaper than a similar sized traditional home. These homes offer a solution to the growing housing crisis and provide a sustainable and affordable housing option. These houses have exciting and unique experiences that offers a glimpse into the world of sustainable and affordable living. Vassal homes are not only eco-friendly and affordable, but they also offer a solution to the housing crisis. If you're interested in exploring the world of Vassal homes, be sure to check out the many homes available for tour and purchase. The Vassal homes offer a unique and sustainable living solution that is both affordable and practical. In the world of digital, this house is completely digitalized and works on smart home appliances and has a smart house features with elegant 4-5 star hotel look. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll come with an interesting topic again. Stay tuned.